Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 22nd, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, this is my forecast channel. If you would like to subscribe to it, I have 552 subscribers. I need 48 more subscribers to make it to 600. That's my next goal. If everybody can help me get to 600, I'd greatly appreciate it. But this is my forecast channel. If anybody would like to check it out, I'd like to click on it. Also, here is we're going to take a look at the forecast chart. We're going to take a look at your forecast for Thanksgiving Day and also your Black Friday forecast. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation, also the Watches Warning Advisory map, and also we're going to take a look at the National Hurricane Center at the end of this video. So stick around to the entire video and do not miss a beat of this forecast. And like I said, if you would not mind, smash that subscribe button so that way we can get these numbers climbing. I'm still trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I still need those watch hours if everybody could help me start watching my videos again. I know my video the video watching is way down. I might get maybe 1 or 2 viewers, maybe 5 at most. Some videos, some maybe about 17. I need to get them on up there at least about 100 or 200 views. If anybody could help me out, I'd greatly appreciate it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and consider subscribing to this channel. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, as you can see here is the forecast for your Thanksgiving Day. As you can see, we got pretty quiet conditions over pretty much of southeast, south, and southwestern Canada, even through Washington, Oregon State, to California, Gulf of California, northern central Mexico, through Texas, Florida region, down toward the Cuba area, the Bahamas, through the Carolinas, all the way up into portions of the Northeast, over toward Nova Scotia, and also Newfoundland, and also New Brunswick. Also, we have mixed precipitation over here around the portion of the Great Lakes region into the Northeast from Pennsylvania all the way into portion of Maine as well. Also, we have mixed precipitation also over here in portion of Nebraska, Colorado, all the way back over to portion of Idaho, and Oregon and Nevada. Also, we have some heavy snow possible over portion of southern Idaho, northern portion of Nevada. Same over here in portion of Montana through Wyoming and also into Nebraska, northern California, southwest and South Dakota. And we also have some snow flying from Montana back into Colorado and far east to South Dakota and also into portions of Nebraska. Also, we have a little bit of shower activity down here across South Texas and also northeast Mexico. All of this activity is for your Thursday, November 23rd, which is Thanksgiving Day. Alright, here's a look at your Black Friday forecast. This is Friday, November 24th. As you can see, we got snow flying up here in portion of the Northeast from northern Maine all the way back into New York State, across the Great Lakes region, also portion of northern Michigan. Snow also will be flying over in portion of Kansas, Nebraska, all the way back into Wyoming, portion of Idaho, Nevada, Utah, mixed precipitation. Far south is portion of Arizona, New Mexico, northwest Texas, and the Colorado, and also into Utah as well. We got some shower activity along coastal areas of South Carolina, down into much of Florida, toward the Florida Keys as well. Remainder of the United States pretty quiet with dry conditions over southeast, south, and southwestern Canada through Washington, down toward Gulf of California, northern central Mexico, through Texas, to the Carolinas, all the way up in the portion of Maine, and all the way back over to Wisconsin and also into Michigan as well. All of this activity is for your Friday, November 24, 2023. Alright, weather radar time. Alright, we're going to start off in the northeast. We'll work our way around. We got some shower maybe some thunderstorm activity up here around New Brunswick and also in the port of Maine. Got some shower activity in New York State, down toward Pennsylvania, West Virginia, toward Norfolk, Virginia, through eastern North Carolina, also down into the coastal waters of the Atlantic Ocean. We're going to continue to move to the west. We got some shower, maybe some mixed precipitation over in portion of the Great Lakes. Also in the portion of North Dakota. Also some more activity up here in portion of Wyoming, Idaho, back over to Oregon and northern California area, Mexico, southern Texas, also into the Gulf of Mexico. Also a little bit of activity down in South Florida between Tampa and Miami. And also quiet conditions pretty much in the tropical Atlantic from San Juan, Puerto Rico back into Cuba and also into the Bahamas. Alright, now let's move on to the Watches, Warning, Advisory map for your locating across the nation. Alright, you can see we still got winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for the Northeast. Winter weather advisory is also in effect, and winter storm warnings also in effect for you guys in Montana and Idaho, also portion of Nevada, Utah, and also Colorado, Wyoming. Winter storm watches has been posted for Nebraska and Kansas, also in the portion east of Colorado with some winter weather advisories there. Special weather statement for northern areas of New Mexico, wind advisories for California. We have special weather statement for Pennsylvania back down in the portion of West Virginia and Virginia. We have storm warning, gale warning, small craft advisory extending from Maine all the way down to the east coast of Florida. Same over here from Southern California all the way to Washington State. Hawaii and Chain Island looks A-OK. Across the southern areas of Alaska, some winter weather advisories there in effect. Coastal areas got some storm warning, small craft advisories. And also western areas of Alaska got some freeze and spray warnings. Alright, and finally we're going to wrap it up with the National Hurricane Center. As you can see, here's that system in the tropical Atlantic. Central subtropical Atlantic area of low pressure is expected to develop along a frontal boundary over the central subtropical Atlantic on Thursday. This system could become a subtropical tropical storm late this week and over the weekend while it loses its frontal characteristic and moves northeastward. The chances of a subtropical tropical development should end by early next week when the system moves over cooler water. Right now it has a 20% next 2 days and 40% over the next 7 days. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. It's a little quick one, so I hope everybody enjoyed it. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. We'll get you back in the next video. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care.